What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I'm going to take you into a client's home and show you a distributed audio, whole house audio setup with the top leading industry technology and some of the coolest brands that we have to offer to you. I know you guys love these videos, so I'm super excited to take you into the space and show it off. All right, let's go. All right, guys, we are now in the home. I'm gonna take you through the space and show you everything that's been installed room by room. And then we're gonna do a system demo and show the operating system. So let's check it out. As you walk into the home, you're gonna see this is a living space, common area. This is very common, and it opens up to the kitchen. So what we have in here is a 5.1, which is 4 Klipsch Pro Series in-ceiling speakers. And then we have the RP640D up underneath the TV here, looking really sleek. It's a great solution for above the fireplace. I really like it. I use it a lot on setups. And then we have the SPL120 over here from Klipsch. And we actually put a wireless kit on this right here so that he can move it wherever he'd like, because part of the design is the client's going to have some built-ins put right here and here. So when that happens, that subwoofer is going back here to the rear of the room. Now, all of this equipment here is going to then slide into the built-in cabinet. Now, let's go over this equipment because this is important. Everything is utilizing the Denon HEOS system, and the Denon HEOS system is multi-room software. You guys hear me talk about this all the time. This is the Denon 1600, and then these are Denon HEOS amps. And the wireless controller for the sub, and then the Harmony Pro 2400 processor. So basically the 5.1 is being powered right here off of this guy, and then independent zone control for the outdoor audio. This is the rock speakers, this is the patio, and this is the area between the patio and the pool. This is the space right here, guys. And it's expandable. Like if the clients say we're having a hard time hearing the audio in here, they can always throw a couple speakers in the kitchen and also pair together this room with the living room. So a lot of flexibility. You can also just be sitting in this space here, watching a movie or playing music, and then go outside by the pool and have something completely separate playing. So it gives you a lot of flexibility. Let's go out here and I'll show you this space. All right, so you can see if they're just hanging out right here, the customers don't need to turn on the rest of the yard and bother the neighbors. So again, HEOS amp, and we're using the Episode all-weather speakers out here. These are really affordable and great performance. Lifetime warranty, just a really good product for the money. And then over here, same thing. We got the Episode all-weathers right there. And again, this just kind of bridges the gap between the audio so that as you travel through the space, you don't have to just blare those speakers on the house. You can, turn them up a little bit in each area, so as you're entertaining, you can talk to your guests and not have to just yell at them, because it's going to transfer very evenly throughout the space. All right, let's keep moving through, guys. Now, this is really common, a nice pool up past the patio. And again, think about how loud these would have to be to really hear the dialogue in the song. So what we did is put some rock speakers out here. These rock speakers are great, guys. Again, Episode 8-inch, and they have a lifetime warranty on them, and they're pretty affordable. I use these Episodes all the time on projects. And imagine like you're hanging out here in the hot tub, relaxing, enjoying a cocktail. You can just come over here, turn these bad boys on, independent. And then your kids can be inside watching a movie. Get ready for the demo, guys. We are gonna get to bumping. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the customer's phone and show you the user interface. Okay guys, we are now in the living space and I'm gonna walk you through the user interface of the HEOS system. So whenever you're on HEOS, you have basically your different rooms where you can play your content. You can see right now, the customer has it broke up as living room, and then the pool and patio together, and then the rocks independent. Like I was explaining, you can independently stream all of this content between all of the different zones. But for this demo, I'm just gonna pair all of the rooms together so that, you know, I can show it to you guys. So I'm gonna go right here, up, edit, and I am going to, or actually I think you just drag it on this one. Rocks, yeah. So look, just like that, boom. You just pull the whole zone into the zone that you're currently playing music on. So now all of these different zones are paired together just like that. And then you just drag out, like say the rocks, boom. Like say it's really late at night and you're not using the pool, turn them off. You don't need them. It's burning energy and it's probably pissing the neighbors off. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back. And then music. So this is where you can select your different content, like what you want to play to the different zones, the physical hardware. So these are all cloud-based, or most of these options. You got Pandora, Spotify, Apple Music, TuneIn, Deezer, Napster, Sirius. I mean, there's just so many options. Content on your phone, you can do a music server. You can also select inputs that are on the EVR, like say you had an old school CD player or vinyl or something like that, you could pull that into the system. But for now, we're just doing, you know, a little bit of Pandora. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit play, and you can see it's gonna display all of the different areas where the content is going to play and the volume levels. So this is important too, because you wanna balance the audio, especially when you're entertaining, so that it's the same level throughout the entire home and you can talk to your guest. Let's hit play. This is gonna be a really common application. Okay, so now it's playing in the living room. I'm gonna crank the volume. Right where I first met you were, I didn't care. I got down on one knee right there once again. And then when you're done, you can just turn it right down. Now I'm gonna go outside and show you the other zones. Hear how good this sounds? It just flows throughout the entire space. So we're gonna go right to the patio. So now I'm gonna go ahead and turn up the pool and the rock speakers and show you those. Now you're my whole life. Now you're my whole. So you can hear how it just flows, guys. All right, so one issue with this particular project, which we just discussed, or I just discussed with the client, is Wi-Fi, guys. A lot of people don't think that they need a Wi-Fi solution other than the one that the internet company provides, and that's just not the case. Like, for example, you see how I had to leave the phone right here to go out to the pool? That's annoying. Like, nobody should have to do that. So I just sold them a router and hardwired access point so that it creates a mesh network between the two and flows through. This house is only 3,000 square feet, so they really only need the one router and the one access point, and it's gonna cover, we're gonna put it like right there on the edge of the kitchen nook. That way it spreads all the way to the back of the deck, and that way they can sit in the hot tub and control their music, because I mean, let's be honest, nobody wants to get up and, you know, walk over. That's kind of like almost old school, like having to go over to the wall. So we're gonna fix that solution. Whenever you guys are calling in, make sure to inquire about Wi-Fi and listen to our sales reps. Like, we're gonna recommend it to you. It's a necessity, guys, and quality of life, really. It's not only gonna affect your music, but everything you do. Okay, cool. Well, I think that is a wrap on the distributed audio whole house audio system. I will be also running demos on the surround sound system in the living room, as well as making a separate video just discussing the outdoor living. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. And then we have a ton of home theater videos, all helping you guys make an educated buying decision and showing real life situations like theater spaces, as well as really detailed reviews of projectors and screens and, you know, pretty much everything audio video related. So we got you covered, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it informative in helping you make a buying decision. We do offer these services throughout the entire nation. Nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. We're constantly working on building up our preferred partner program. So make sure to inquire about that as well if you need install services, but we can at least hook you up with the products and get you that lowest price guaranteed and free shipping. All right, guys, I really appreciate your support. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.